Every admission team knows this pain. Inquiries coming in from Facebook, your website, walk-ins, aggregator portals, and half of them slipping through the cracks before a counselor even calls. Hi, I'm Hamad from telecrm, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you how 500 plus education companies from India's largest edtech to local coaching institutes capture inquiry, route it to the right counselor instantly, and take students all the way from first inquiry to enrollment all in one platform. Let's dive in. So we will be covering majorly 4 areas: lead management, communication, reporting, AI, and automation. Let's get started with lead management. Every sales journey begins with a lead, and with telecrm there are 3 simple ways to capture one. The first is manual entry for walk-in customers. The second is Excel upload if you already have an existing database. And third is integrations, where telecrm automatically captures lead from platforms like Meta, Google Ads, Shiksha, Sulekha, website, or any other third-party application using telecrm APIs. The moment a lead is captured, telecrm automatically assigns it to the right team member based on your predefined rules. At the same time, your marketing team gets complete attribution details like lead source, campaign ID, click ID, and other campaign information, helping you identify exactly which campaign are generating qualified leads. So every lead is captured, assigned instantly, and fully traceable from the very first touchpoint. Once the lead is assigned, the next step is communication. With telecrm, there is no need for any third-party dialer. Simply click the call button and the call is automatically placed using your Android phone and corporate SIM card. If required, you can also use virtual calling or even a combination of both. While you are speaking with the customer, simply open the sales form. It acts as a qualification checklist, ensuring every important question is asked and no information is missed during the conversation. As soon as the call ends, telecrm automatically captures the call duration, call recording, and updates the lead status based on the sales form, keeping your CRM updated without any manual effort. Next comes WhatsApp communication. There is no need to save the customer's number. Just click the WhatsApp button, type your message, or choose a predefined template and send it instantly. What truly makes telecrm unique is WhatsApp Chat Sync. It is the only CRM in India that automatically synchronizes incoming WhatsApp conversations from your team's personal WhatsApp account into the CRM, ensuring every customer conversation stays with the business. On top of that, telecrm provides WhatsApp API without charging any platform fee, which is free of cost. You simply pay Meta conversation charges while sending payment reminders, appointment messages, or bulk broadcast of your newly launched course. Now let's see how telecrm helps managers and business owners monitor performance. The leaderboard provides an instant overview of every team member's performance, including total calls, connected calls, attempted calls, missed calls, call duration, and pending tasks. For complete lead visibility, simply open all leads and use smart filters to analyze your data. You can filter out leads by month, campaign, owner, or stage, and switch to chart view for a graphical pipeline summary. Here is a practical example. Suppose a lead is marked as unable to connect. Your SOP says that at least 3 call attempts should be made before closing the lead. With telecrm, you can instantly verify the number of calls and identify where no attempts or fewer than 3 attempts were actually made. And instead of creating these reports every day, simply pin them to personalized dashboards for admins, managers, and sales executives. Finally, let's look at how telecrm helps you automate your business. With our advanced workflow builder, you can automate lead assignment, follow-ups, reminders, escalations, and multi-condition workflows using a simple drag and drop interface. Our AI call summary analyzes every customer conversations, eliminating the need for managers to manually listen to call recordings. It also flags SOP violation and poor call quality instantly. With Lead IQ, telecrm identifies lead intent, highlights red flags, recommends the next best sales pitch, and even suggests the most relevant WhatsApp message to send. And with the conversion API, your qualified leads are automatically shared with advertising platforms, helping your marketing team generate better quality leads without increasing their ad spend. You don't need a separate dialer, a WhatsApp API solution, third-party integration tools, lead management system, and an extra BI tool. Everything is baked into one platform, which replaces all five at roughly 80% lower cost. This is just a small teaser, not even 20% of what telecrm provides. So for more details, you'll have to connect with your sales representative or book a free demo now.